I wish I could show people the panic that I heard in that mother's voice when I spoke to her on Saturday. That is something that I will never, ever in my life forget.
Nyimele ya mbiru vutongo vukuma. Vadzulapo va vupo ha Peace Haven vako vaisha vukumanga lufu ra Vho-Willie Munting hune vari arali usongo va na zwo khauwa-khauwa mudagasi usongo divadziwa hunga tshifhinga nyimele yo va itshidova isongo to rali.
This really hit very hard. I've known Letty and Willie for many years, and if you speak to, we can only empathize up to a point because we do not really know what they are feeling. But as mothers, we can understand why they are as angry as they are. As you've seen, they are extremely angry and emotional because this was an unnecessary death. It shouldn't have happened. Willie was 44 years old. He was still a young and very able man. He was never a burden to his mother or his fiancée. For me, I can't help being emotional because I was the first one to hear about it. I was in communication with his mother as much as I possibly could be in between everything else that needed to happen. And yes, it hit us hard.
Musi va muta wa mufuvo va tshi kondelwa vukuma nanga u amba na vho Mafhungo shango na lone likatibvela phanḓa na u livhana khaedu khulwane vukuma ya u khauwa-khauwa mudagasi nga u sielisana hune vhaṅwe vha ri iyi ndi ndaḓo khulwane vukuma.
Unfortunately, due to the continuous power outages that happen in Peace Haven, we found ourselves in a situation where we lost a life because of the incompetence of the municipality. One might ask, what does the municipality have to do with this? Firstly, the municipality has contractors who are paid thousands of money to repair electrical outages. However, in this particular week, the contractors came 5 times to repair one issue that continued to persist and be a problem. And therefore, this is why I say this is heavily on the incompetence of the municipalities.
Vho-Munting bakulavelelwa u ḓo vhulungwa nga musumbuluwo vha masipala wa Emfulweni vari va khou ita ṱhoḓisiso malugana na tshiwo itsho.